Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to go completely off-grid, no phone service. We're going to Elan Valley and we're going to spend the night there. It's just going to be nice to get away from our phones because we're all guilty of it. You know, we keep going on our phones, so we're going to exchange it for a beautiful view and yeah, completely off-grid. So come along with us. Off-grid tonight, Paul, no signal whatsoever.
No, nothing.
Yeah. There's nothing in the Elan Valley. It's beautiful though. This is what it feels like to be free, isn't it?
Yeah. Back to basic.
Yeah, lovely. Oh, look at that.
Holly.
This is what this is what you get for going off grid. Gorgeous.
Holly.
Oh, look. Wow. So pretty. The person here last night, his name's Gaz. Had a nice little chat last night. He's off now. Yeah, but he was born in the 60s like us, so we were all talking about the 80s and motorbikes and all sorts. Yeah, didn't expect to find anybody down here, but it was quite nice that there was one other person down here, so to yourself, it's totally worth ditching your phone for. I can film on my phone, but we got no service whatsoever. Just literally deep in the valley. It's beautiful. It's worth trying it. It's surprising what you can find to do. You can think more clearly as well, because when we're on our phones we're dictated by what we see. It's like a quick fix, but your mind moves a lot slower when you haven't got a phone. It's really, really good for you.
Well, you can stay up there. Holly.
We can tie up to the van, can't we? Let's put a kettle on before we move
Have
off.
a coffee, then we're off on the next travel.
I do love this place. We have been here before, but it never gets old. Benefits have been then, Paul, without our phones, not being able to go on the internet and everything else.
What's the benefit?
Yeah.
You don't scroll for the sake of it.
Yeah, you're not wasting time.
Not being funny. Everyone do. Everyone goes on the internet.
They have a little look, don't they?
Crap.
Yeah.
Not being funny. What's in there? Either on Facebook.
It's filling in the gaps, isn't it? We all, you know, I'm guilty of it.
Yeah, I think everyone's guilty.
Do you find your mind's clearer?
Yeah.
It reminds me of when I was a kid.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Yeah, I don't miss it, and maybe that's our era. I don't know whether younger people maybe might find it a bit more difficult. Maybe not, I don't know, but
I don't know.
I haven't missed it.
I don't know whether the different generations, I don't know.
I mean, I feel safe in the knowledge that you can ring 999 should you need it.
as kids, when we was kids, we wasn't thinking what was going to happen next year.
No, but now we're waking up looking at our phone.
Yeah.
We're looking at our phone before we go to bed. I mean, it's got to do something to our minds.
Yeah, but I think that's because being part of an adult, you have to plan things. You have to go to work. You have to do this. You have to do that. You have to pay bills and you know, and I think that is the only downside. When you're a child, that's what I always say to customers. What's that? I goes to their kids. I goes, make the most of school because it is the best time of your life.
Yeah, content she is. At home, she is wild, she is mad, she wants to chew everything. When she's out in the van in a place like this, she is just so chilled. Yeah, takes after me.